Hello, now let's review your previous lesson. Are you ready? Okay. Now, here we go. Chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau ôn tập nha. Listen to music. Listen to music. Play with friends. Play with friends. Play with friends. Read a book. Read a book. Read a book. Write an email. Write an email. Now let's say all the phrases again. Good. Listen to music. Play with friends. Read a book. Write an email. After school. Now let's move on next part. After school. After school, there's a lot to do. Things on my own. Things on my own. And things with you. I do my homework. I help my mom. Then I play with friends. And we have fun. After school, I write an email. I read a book. I listen to music. I help to cook after school. Okay? Now let's move on to the phonics part. Listen, point, and repeat. Flower, flat. Flower, flat. Plum, plate. Plum, plate. Blanket, blanket. Blue, blanket, blue. Now let's move on next part. Listen and chant. Plums on a plate. Plums on a plate. Blue plums, black plums. Plums on a plate. A blanket on a bed. A blanket on a bed. There's a pretty flower. There's a pretty flower. On the blanket, on the bed. On the blanket, on the bed. Okay. Remember to practice at home and give me your video. Bye.